guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. I'm just stepping in, it might be a bit windy. Yeah, I'm on the farm today, as you can tell. I'm actually doing 2 vlogs in one day, so I'm trying to like smash it out whilst I'm here. I picked a day where they're on with quite a bit of stuff. So you'll have seen the last vlog where we were doing our grooving and that sort of thing. And then in this one, Ben has got the till sower on and he's till sowing all of the cereals. Well, I say all of them. I think he's doing like the winter cereals, so like the winter wheat. Is that all that's in? That's probably all that's in, isn't it? So he's just on with that. So he's literally just getting the cramming out and filling up the till sower. So yeah, I can't speak. I hope you enjoy this vlog. If you haven't done already, please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, do all the good stuff, and let's crack on. First job, Ben's just taken the roof tins down to the builder lads because they're ready to put the new tins on the roof. Why we redoing it? It had holes all over it, didn't it?
Yeah.
Leaking onto the beds and stuff, so just needed a bit of maintenance. So they're just redoing the dome bit. I'll show you when we get a bit nearer. Ben just needs to set the till sower up ready. What's that bit's for? Distance?
Just called a drop zone.
Alright.
Yeah, it just all depends on what sort of till you put on.
Alright.
Is what the settings need to be. And that's how much goes on. This is just your headlands.
Oh yeah. So you're chucking it quite far or not?
24 metres, yeah.
Right. Are you bothered about the wind? It's a little bit windy today.
Not ideal, but better than it being wet.
Right.
End up world, really. Should spread alright.
Yeah.
Right.
Done?
Yep.
So have you set your gear? Is that your revs?
That's revs. It wants to be revving at 600 and I want to be going 10 mile an hour. So default. Right, we're in here.
Oh, have you got some in as well?
Yeah.
Alright. Thought we were loading up.
No, I put 2 bags in it. Why not? Four-wheel drive. Telemat down.
Yeah.
Yeah, just winter wheat. Giving it about 60 units.
Are you happy with how it's looking at the minute?
Yeah, we're fairly wet when it got drilled, so
Yeah.
it was a bit patchy in places.
It's green though, isn't it? It's not yellow.
Yeah.
When it's coming up.
Fairly green. Will be after this.
Yeah. Chuck a bit on the riverbank. Need it.
It only takes 7 bags to do everything. I would imagine it's all fairly
Get rid of it.
go down.
It's a bit of a wet spot.
They've been digging with
Do a bit of draining.
water. Right, I'm just going to check the inch there. I don't think that's going to last. Can I do?
Ah,
Yeah.
that looks bad. Just getting nervous that it was going to run out faster than it should. So don't leave your telly mat down, because what?
Spreads at half width, so that's what's spreading up to the headland.
Oh, right. So
Yeah,
you've done
so-
your one lap round.
Yeah, so if you left it down, you'd just leave it straight here.
That would not be me. It's fairly overlapped here.
Yeah, well, it does. It gets 2 loos.
Oh, right. You want it to.
This should throw to the next tram line.
Ah, right. Okay.
Yeah, and then when you go down the next tram line, it should throw it back.
Yeah.
That's the idea.
Oh, okay.
Looks like it's all left.
Yeah.
Well, if it does that on every run, it all blows that way, then it should be fairly even.
All blows the same way. It's quite windy today, but it's not. It's not blowing an absolute hoolie, is it? But
Yeah.
it's a bit
Quite
of wind.
light though, as you read.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Not much weight to the ball. Should this have done this field?
Let's do the maths. That did.
Well, what are you, 2 runs?
Screw on. 165 units divided by 40. So you put 1.6 bags equal, that's per acre. And then we want that, what is this, 13 acre, 21. Should have just done it really. A bit left over.
Do you think that'll do them now?
What?
Will that do them 2 runs?
Well, we've done that run.
Oh, right, so you-
Headland run. So, it's just literally finished.
Just this bit then, innit? Do you want this shot?
Yeah, well, it's all blowing to the right a bit, but the next one's then blowing. Yeah, I think it's getting spread fairly level, really, yeah. Right, alright. Right.
So it won't do it?
No, it's 14 acre, I thought it was 12 and a half.
You're running on the edge of the tram line to get it to squish in so it flattens it basically. Has it worked? Who knows? anyway, there's a bit of soil on the wheels, but it's travelled really well across there. And across there was a few wet spots, but it's travelled well. He's actually just going to go back into the first field. I feel like we're doing this back to front. And he just had a little bit that he'd missed, so he's just going to go and do that. But what am I saying? I was just up there with Ben and I was like, is there anything else you can really talk about? He's like, no, not really, it's just till sowing, innit? So that's all I've got on that. I'll either try and merge this into another vlog, or I don't know, I might even put it up as a little 10-minute vlog, who knows. I'm just waiting for Ashley now. I've been here all day and I was going to set off home, but with the time that it's at, there's not really much point in me going now because I'll end up hitting traffic and all of that sort of stuff, so I'm not going to bother. I'm waiting for Ashley and she's going to take me to the yard. I'm going to help her do her horses because Ashley's also moved house and she's got all sorts going on just like me and Sam have. So yeah, exciting stuff. So I'm going to go help her with the horses, and I haven't seen her in a while as well, so that's where I'm off to next. But yeah, let's see if I can merge this vlog into something else or do something. I'm not really sure, but we'll figure it out. So they're mucking out calves today. They've done one side, disinfected and bedded up, ready for them to move over. Get all cozy. And then yeah, just move these back over now and then we can do all of this side. Will you leave this side to rest? There don't look loads.
We're leaving
that one. So they're going to leave this pen to rest because it's probably had calves in it non-stop for a few months. So they'll leave that now until they need it because they're not overrun with calves. So they'll fit nicely probably in one pen and one pen over here. So yeah. And then these older ones, these can just go and stand outside. It's a lovely day, so they'll get a bit of time in the sunshine. So they're just going to move all these over now. I better jump in and help them, Anna. Go on, guys.
Hey.
Cute little. Oh, Lily. Come on. Whew. Should be an Olympic sport, that. Hell, it's hard work. Cows are all in the parlour. I say all in the parlour. There's loads there, like a sea of cows. I'm just going to run down and my bag. See where they're up to into the carbs. I think Meg's just power washing the last few. And then I actually am heading back now. So it was a bit of a flying visit, plus the visit was more for me to sort my horses out and stuff. I've not really been on the farm much. I just try to catch little bits what they're doing so I could just finish this vlog off. But yeah, it was mainly a come and sort the horses job today. So I apologise for that. But I'll be back next week, I think, to do some more cow stuff. Because we've not seen these girls for a bit. Yep, they're all done in here. So they've been washed out, bedded up. Oh, you all look so cozy. Pipes and everything washed, ready to go back on. They'll just be waiting for the next load. That's why they're all mooing, because they're hungry. Oh, there's no bucket there yet, love. Here, come on this one. off. Train him.
Yep. They're all out of baby things.
Oh really? This one's eager beaver. Come here. Eager beaver. Come out. Right, stop being so forceful. There you go. One technique. Hey, come here. Don't be silly. As soon as one butts one off, they all come off and they're right paying for it. Come on. Come on.